Adding PayPal button to your Wix website is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can add PayPal button to your Wix website. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm currently in my Wix website editor. So for that, I'm just going to go to Google and I'm going to type in else site. And I'm going to search for that and I will go to this website, which is elsesite.com. Now here I have to click on this widgets after logging into your account, obviously. As you guys can see, I'm logged in. Now here you have to search for PayPal. Now this website, lets you create free widgets that you can add or free pop-ups that you can add. So I'm going to click on this PayPal button, and as you guys can see, I'll be able to edit my widget that I can add into my Wix website. Suppose I want to add this checkout sections. I will have to click on this continue with this template. Now here I can edit all the settings. I can add my PayPal email and I can add the currency. I can do any changes according to me. After that, I have to click on this add to website. Now here what it will do is it will give me a short code or a short template which looks like that. After that, you will easily be able to add it to your website. So you just simply have to click on this publish button, and as you guys can see here, it just want me to buy that. So I'm going to click on this free option. So here, as you guys can see, I got this code. So I'm going to click on this copy code. I'll go back to my Wix website editor. I have to click on this add element. I have to click on this embed code, and I have to click on this embed HTML. I'm just going to paste my code right here. I'm going to click on this update, and it will give me that link that I created back there. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.